ID and purpose? Morning shift, line operator. Proceed. Corn flour next.
The moisture is stable at 12.5%.
Good. The protein readings are consistent.
Excellent. Let's log it.
Adding the water now. Mixing at steady speed. Dough is forming well. Temperature holding steady at 65. Moisture is dropping. Good. Let's increase airflow to speed up the back section. Turmeric and chili are loading in. Rotation is optimal. Confirmed. Dried vegetables are feeding now. Blend looks even.